Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Makerfire T-Lite multi-protocol transmitter. This is the Makerfire branded version of the jumper T-Lite. Let's open it. So we have the Makerfire card. It's a service card. And we have a module adapter. So let's take a look at this thing. So we have the pins here and we have a connector here. So what you need to do is to actually open up the transmitter and plug this inside and then mount this part outside. Let's just see what's under here. So you have a USB cable. It's a USB-C cable. An antenna. And an 18650 battery case. So we have the transmitter. It has a game controller form factor, which is becoming very popular. And it has this matte gray finish that is not exactly rubberized, but it does add some grip to it. I just hope that it doesn't deteriorate as most of those rubberized coatings. So up here in the front, we have the Hall sensor gimbals. And they have red tips, which is customization from Makerfire. So we have the speaker here, a bunch of buttons here. I believe this would be the trim buttons, and I think this would be the power button. And then we have a system button and a model button. I think these are shortcuts for the system and the model settings. Then we have enter, return or back, I suppose, and up or down. And then up here we have 4 switches, 2 position and 3 position. And then there's a USB-C port, a micro SD card slot, and a trainer port. There's also the antenna connector here, so it's an SMA connector. At the back, we have the battery bay. There's a warning here to not reverse the battery. And another reminder not to reverse the batteries. So this uses an 18650 battery. And okay, so there's the indicator that this is the positive pole and that's the negative pole. It's not very obvious. And here's the cutout for the external module adapter. Let's turn it on. So it's OpenTX. So we go to the system settings. So we have tools, SD card, radio setup, global functions, trainer, hardware, and version. and we go to the model settings here. So we can go up and down to select the model, and then setup for the model, heli setup, flight modes, inputs, mixes, outputs, curves, logical switches, special functions, telemetry, display. So basically the usual OpenTX. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the Makerfire T-Lite. It is 100% the jumper T-Lite, and it's just the Makerfire branding and the red stick tips that makes it different. I wish they changed the color from gray to black, but all in all, this is a good transmitter, and you can't go wrong with either the Makerfire or jumper version. Thank you for watching.